matter behaves so differently at this level that scientists have developed an entirely new set of rules to describe what's going on. They call it quantum theory, and what it says is extraordinary.
This baseball represents a subatomic particle, like an electron or a photon of light, that routinely does all sorts of weird, strange things in the microscopic universe. The subatomic version of this baseball can be invisible, can go through solid objects with ease, can be in multiple places at the same time, and can seemingly go backwards in time and change the past. This
other particles spin.
That's weird, because it may suggest that information has traveled instantaneously, faster than the speed of light, from one particle to another. I don't understand it. I don't know that anyone does. Spooky action at a distance, as Einstein called it.
Quantum entanglement is more than a curiosity of the microscopic world, because the effects of entangled particles can be seen and felt in our world. If scientists can overcome some fundamental obstacles, quantum entanglement could someday help humans communicate across vast distances instantly.
People sometimes think that quantum entanglement will achieve the desired goal.
The major stumbling block is figuring out how to effectively code classical information, the ones and zeros that computers use, in a way the microscopic universe can process it using entangled particles. But when scientists figure that out, quantum computers could transform the planet.
Even if you have a quantum computer with not that very many bits, you might still be able to do things like break all the codes that people use to communicate on the internet. Or you could solve very difficult problems having gajillions of variables, like trying to figure out what happened at the Big Bang.
That may be hard to believe, but the microscopic universe gets even stranger. In fact, the most famous experiment in quantum physics shows how one object can be in two places at the same time. A result that startled the great Albert Einstein. As scientists explore the microscopic universe, they find it's governed by rules that are often incomprehensible to those of us in the normal world. At the smallest scales imaginable, not only does information appear to travel faster than the speed of light, scales of the microscopic universe. That's what viewer Jason L. from Houston, Texas wanted to ask the universe.
Jason, I'm glad you asked that question. The smallest things in the universe are the fundamental subatomic particles, like electrons, or the quarks that make up protons and neutrons, or neutrinos. Now, all these particles are thought to be different vibrational modes of a little tiny entity called a string, a little tiny package of energy. And that, then, is the smallest thing from which everything else is made.
Scientists have just started trying to explore strings.
I am here at the Kelly Library. Of course, I just got up about an hour and a half ago, and I got myself cleaned up and dressed because I have to drop these DVDs back off the library that my younger brother borrowed, and guess what? I do not even get a handicapped parking space. Yes, my younger brother, was it put a fire in the wood stove, was it going, and yeah, my brother's just gone out, so was it he's staying with it, take his girlfriend, over to, was it see what's going on with her, and her parents were very elderly, and I'm just trying to keep the fire going here, while he's gone.
My 50-foot 3/4-inch Exos Pro weighs only about 2 pounds. My DAP Exos Pro will never kick. Get my new DAP Exos Pro for only $29.95. But call right now and get a second Exos Pro free. Just pay processing and handling. So call now. I promise you'll love it.
Call 1-800-470-7143. Exos Pros not sold in stores. Call 1-800-470-7143 today.
I've got a small business, and everybody said you should be promoting it with Facebook.
They said I'd get more customers. Well, I use Facebook for myself, but I had no idea how to use it for my plumbing business.
Then I heard about web.com.
They told me they would build a professional Facebook page for my business